Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to submit zero tax return online for government employees step by step. First, gather your salary slip, Form 16 if available, and PAN details. Next, log into the official tax portal with your employee credentials and verify Aadhaar-linked mobile for OTP. Then choose the correct ITR form for salaried employees and enter zero income where applicable, review entries carefully, and submit with e-verification. Before you start filing, organize all necessary documents to save time and avoid mistakes. Make sure your PAN and Aadhaar are active and linked, and keep your bank account details for e-verification on hand. Review salary slips and Form 16 to confirm zero taxable income, and note any exemptions like HRA or standard deduction that apply. Having digital copies ready speeds up the online process and reduces stress during filing. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and hit like to support more clear tutorials. Quick recommendation: try The Simple Path to Wealth, a book that can truly change how you think about money and simplify long-term planning, and it pairs well with tax-smart habits. I put the link and some deals in the description so you can check it out if interested. Now let's get back to the video. Start by logging into the tax portal and selecting the ITR form for salaried employees, then fill in personal and employer details exactly as on record. Enter income and exemptions precisely, and only declare zero taxable income when applicable after deductions. Upload any mandatory declarations or proofs, review the summary page for errors, and complete e-verification using OTP, net banking, or Aadhaar methods to finalize your zero return submission quickly and securely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.